AI technology is rapidly evolving, with automation becoming more prevalent in today's society. The latest developments in AI are revolutionizing industries such as healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. AI is transforming the job market by creating new opportunities for individuals with specialized skills, while also posing challenges for those in traditional roles. The job market is adapting to the changes brought about by AI, with some jobs being replaced by automation while others are being created in the tech sector. Real-life examples of industries where AI is making a significant impact include customer service, where chatbots are being used to assist customers, and logistics, where AI is optimizing supply chain management. Looking to the future, AI is predicted to continue evolving and affecting jobs in various industries. It is important for individuals to stay informed about these changes and adapt their skills to remain competitive in the job market. Thank you for watching today's video. Share your thoughts on how AI is impacting the job market in the comments below. Don't forget to use the hashtags #artificial intelligence, #future of work, #AI impact, #job market.